Right, you ready? I can't do it. I'm Mike Curley and I'm out here in Spain filming a new Wethepeople edit, and I'll just give you a quick rundown on my bike setup. This time I decided to go for the Battleship fork and frame. I wanted a different colour as well, like a crazier colour than I usually get. I usually just get red or black. I went for this corn yellow, the 2018 colourway. I love this frame, it's sick. The back end's sort of like short and it's good for grinds and spins, and I can't believe I've not tried it before. Still riding my Wethepeople switchbars. I've been riding them for about 4 or 5 years now and they're perfect. Couldn't imagine not riding them. Riding the Wethepeople index stem front loader, just not a fan of the top loaders. I'm riding Wethepeople Supreme hubs, riding cassette as always, keeping it old school. They're on Logic rims with Wethepeople sticking tyres because we like that squeak. Riding Wethepeople seat and seat post. I've had this seat for about 3 years now. I love it. I'm running Felix's sprocket, the Pathfinder, sweet. Don't know what chain it is, half link. And I'm riding Wethepeople dill pickle pegs, I think they're called. Sweet. Pedals, Eclat, Slash, plastics. I'm loving my Bumblebee at the minute. It's sweet. I just well into the setup. Thanks to Dave and everyone and Paul Robinson for sorting me out. Mark, Noble, cheers. Got a new edit coming out soon, so keep a lookout for it.